Now let's look at a pairing configuration for owners of the 5th series Tom Tom Rider. With the 5th series Tom Tom Rider, you can only perform pairing separately, so pair the phone to the intercom and the Tom Tom Rider to the intercom. I'll show you how. Let's go ahead and turn on our BTR1 or BTR1 Advanced X, and in this case, we'll be pairing the Tom Tom Rider as the main device. That means we'll start the pairing process by pressing and holding the volume plus button, and then we'll complete the pairing from the Tom Tom Rider itself. First, add a headset to the system. Then search for the headset in the list. Once we do that, we find our device, which is called BTR1 Advanced X. Pairing in progress, device paired. To have the Tom Tom Rider audio in the background of your intercom communication, you must select high quality audio. Okay? The pairing with the Tom Tom is now complete, so let's take a moment and continue with the pairing process for your phone. To be safe, I'll turn off the Tom Tom for a moment so it doesn't interfere with the pairing, and I'll pair the phone as the second device, meaning I hold down the volume minus button and start the pairing. On the phone, I search for my BTR1 Advanced X and complete the pairing. Second pairing confirmed. I'll turn the Tom Tom Rider back on now. The Tom Tom Rider will then automatically reconnect to the intercom and also to the intercom. Every time it's turned off and then powered back on, it will automatically reconnect to both the Tom Tom and your phone without you needing to do anything. Keep in mind that with this configuration, to have the Tom Tom's road directions in the background of your intercom communication, we had to pair the phone as the second device. Since the phone is paired to the volume minus, we only have the ability to make and receive phone calls from the phone and not to listen to music.